Manufacturing is so critical to the continued prosperity of Cuyahoga County and Northeast Ohio, and it really does provide tremendous opportunities for all members of our society. But manufacturing is a tough industry. We compete in a global stage, and one of the biggest challenges we face is finding and attracting talent to our industry and ensuring that that talent continues to have the skills necessary to compete in a changing world. When the County Sector Partnership was formed, I was really excited to be a part of it, working directly with other manufacturers to help address these talent challenges. Yes, we all compete for talent, but working collectively, I felt there was so much common ground where we could work together. And that's exactly what we're doing, working together to solve the critical talent issues in our industry.
The fact that we were able to get so many leaders of manufacturing companies to commit to working together to drive the plan forward was really exciting to me. I have done a lot of work to diversify my company, and having a diverse pool of applicants will make that job easier. Our diversity efforts will also open up a much larger group of potential employees for our industry, as well as give them leadership opportunities in the future.
The way that the Access program works, it makes life easier for you. And anything that makes life easier for you is a wonderful concept, because they're basically helping you to find talent and getting that talent well prepared in advance of you having to interview that person. If you know anything about an ex-offender who really is determined to change your life, they're going to be a better worker than the average person. So from a selfish perspective, I know if this is the right one, that they're going to show up on time, they're going to work a little harder, and they're going to be a great employee because they are going to invest in making their lives better. So it's a two-way street. You need to, one, be empathetic towards what we're talking about here, but also recognize that if you do it right, you're going to get a great employee too.
It was the coaching, the staff there towards employment and Magnet, the keep pushing, and any questions, any kind of stumbling blocks that was there, they would help you get through it. And it was amazing because I didn't think I could learn none of that stuff within 30 to 40 days. And miracles happen if I had to get patience. I had to learn more patience because I've never been that patient in my life. But it was something you really want, and it worked. Patience, they say patience is a virtue, time tell everything. So I stuck with it because there was plenty of times I was like, oh, I can't do this, I'll just try something else. This program is too much. So I decided to stick with it, and the end results, I'm here at Elson's International, thanks to Mr. Jackson for giving second chances. God worked miracles, and that wasn't happening for me before. I thought it'd be way worse now. But like I said, it's a true higher power. It's a true good spirit in the world. So Mr. Jackson is an example of that at Elson International. My plans for the future is to, stay positive, see my grandkids grow up, and get old, and just live a fruitful life, and be happy and at peace.
Data shows that these sector initiatives work. We will see better wages for them, upward mobility for them, a more secure job, and employers it helps fills their job opportunities more quick. So we are really on board with continuing our partnership with this, and we believe it will help long-term success for both the job seeker and the employer.